And then pull
Okay, hi. We're gonna be running through the vacuum cleaner today. Okay. This gay faggot ass vacuum cleaner. Alright, let's hook it up.
Hook it up.
Hook it up!
Oh.
Come on. Turn this light. Okay. You ready? You ready to hook it up?
You gotta pause.
What? Oh, hook
Hold
it up.
when I get.
No, we have to hook it up, dumbass.
I'll get sucked into the vacuum cleaner.
Yeah, tune it. No, you're gonna tune into it.
How?
No, you're just going to. It's magic. I'll show you some magic. See, this dumbass doesn't even know that he can actually work against the magic that I can do. We'll be back in a second, okay? Okay, we're back. What? I don't think. Okay. Okay, this guy is about to run through.
How do you do
this.
it?
We're gonna run through here. We're gonna turn into it.
What?
We're gonna turn into this. Watch some magic. Watch some magic. Just get away from
What
it.
the hell are you doing?
Okay. Run for it now. He's alive! Yeah! Okay. See how we did that on the next video.
Peace.